All right, welcome back, y'all. This evening we're gonna do an oil change, and it'll probably be the final oil change on this machine before I take it apart and rebuild it. I've been talking about it for a while now. Plan on doing a rebuild on the motor itself. Right now it's got really low compression, but as I stated before in the other videos, this thing is super quick, super fast. It hangs all day long with the 450s. Again, this is the Big Bore setup. FMF fatty pipe, slip on, advanced 4-degree timing on the flywheel, Vito's flywheel key in it. It's got the 30 mil left hand Banshee carb on it. So yeah, anyways, I've been riding it some the past year, and when I went for a ride, it hadn't been long. It was only 30-40 minute increments, but those 30-40 minutes is really tough on it. I don't cut it no slack. That's what the guy told me he built it for. So and so far so good. It's held up. I have went through 2 clutches on it, but that was like when I first got it. The clutch issue was this thing's putting down some serious power to be what it is. I didn't know what type of clutch was in it when I got it. Wound up changing the oil in it the first time I got it, and didn't put enough oil back in it because I didn't do no research, obviously, and I wound up smoking that clutch. Well, the second clutch I put in it was an okay clutch, but again, you pay for what you get on anything. The clutch I've got set up in it now is it's a really good clutch. I've had no issues with it, no issues at all whatsoever. So here in a minute, I'm gonna take and crank it up for a second, couple minutes, let it warm up, and we're gonna drain the oil in this thing and see what it looks like. I know it's been a right good while, but I don't ride it but like maybe once a month. So with that being said, I don't know what it's gonna look like. I have my doubts. It could be kind of it could have some metal in it. I'm not sure, but we'll see. We'll check it out here in a little bit. So we're going to use the Tusk. This is the Tusk kit. It's just one that I really trust. I trust the type of oil. I used a different brand before. Didn't have no luck with it at all as far as oil goes. Again, I messed up a clutch. I don't know if the oil was too thick, too thick or too thin, but we this is normally what I've been putting in it right here. Yamaha. This is the Yamaha 2040, and you say on the bottom there it's superior resistance to pressure and heat. This transmission on this quad right here really gets a healthy workout. So it's key to have the right type of oil on those clutches. If not, you're gonna have problems like I did. We're gonna set up and we're gonna get the oil drained on it, and we're gonna see what we got. Like I said, I'm uncertain what it looks like. I don't really know. I probably got about 5 good rides on it, and I mean, when I say good, I mean really good. I don't putt around. I ride this one. So in that Tusk kit also, it comes with your washer and stuff for your oil plug. That's one reason why I like the kit. And like I said, I know what I'm getting every time when I buy this from them. So yeah, there it is. It's got a little bit of, just a tad bit of metallic to it, but that could be off my clutches. Not really sure. I think it's somewhere under 100, maybe a little 100 or so under PSI on the compression. the other quad I got is it's got a ton of compression. This one right here is really weak, but again, it's still powerful. It's really stupid fast for what it is. I want to catch it though before it's a big problem and it really costs us a bunch of money. But so we're gonna let that drain right there, and we'll bring y'all back here shortly when we start putting in the new oil here. All right, we back. I don't know if y'all ever watched. I watched the guy's name is Two Vintage. He does nothing but work on quads and bikes. That dude's a killer mechanic, hands down. Real methodical about his work. Jeez. I watch him all the time. I just figured I'd share that. But yeah, so we got the oil drain. We're going back with this oil right here. Like I said, I showed it to you earlier. This is the only oil I run in this quad. I tried some other brands before, but had problems with my clutch. This one right here, I've had zero issues with. So we're gonna put the plug back in it. I like that kit also because it comes with the washer that goes on your oil bolt. It's like a crush washer. Keeps it from leaking and whatnot. So we want this to sit in the oversized cleaner. We're gonna do some research on all the decks, and we're gonna pair them with decks that have the same size, or they keep they're on. So bring them there. So here the exact getting or 82,000 on CR250. So this is what it should be. This is what it was. They also give you a funnel too. Do this with. Kind of makes it a lot easier. See if this. We're at 16. Kind of see this way too. Right to the top of the float, so that float area is spot on. We're good there. It's good to check that. We're way off. Let's go ahead and take. Go out of here. Let's see what position is that. Should be good right now. Put that back in. Let's break the center. Let's check. Right. Yeah, manifold looks really good. Check the reeds. Running that quad at 40 to 1. because of the top end. The top end is weak on it, so putting a little more oil to it. Why it smokes like that? No big deal though. I always let my car run out of fuel too before I store it or put it in the shop. Saves that pilot jet from getting stopped up. All right, so like I said, we changed the oil in it. The oil didn't look as bad as I thought. I think most of that I did see did come from the clutch. The only reason why I'm really suspicious with it is because, like I said before, I know for a fact it is low on compression. It's loaded. It's really low. But it has not changed the power of the bike, none whatsoever. The power's been there. I love this oil right here. Appreciate Tusk for offering the kit like this. So next we will sit down and discuss what I'm going to do. I am going to do a top end kit, but also if there's any indication that my rod is loose or worn out, then we're gonna go on with it and go ahead and do the bottom end as well. I don't ride this quad a whole lot, but when I do, like I said, I really let it rip. That's what it was built for. I bought it built like this. I bought it from a diesel mechanic. That guy knew what he was doing, and this quad right here has hurt some 450s and some Can-Am Outlander 800s. It's quick. It's quick. I love this thing. So yeah, we'll get back and we'll talk about those plans. Pretty much we're gonna go with a milled head, I'm pretty sure. In other words, taking a head and having it milled like 10 thousandths for more compression on the next setup. We're gonna do a full-on port and polish on the head. So I'm gonna get y'all out, and when we get started on it, and like I said, it's gonna be a few weeks before I even start tearing it down. I just don't have a lot of time right now because of my work schedule. And this is something I want to do and take my time. I don't want to rush it. So if you're looking for something that's thrown together half-assed, if you will, this ain't the channel for you then. I try to do everything the right way. So yeah, I appreciate y'all watching, and y'all go check out Two Vintage, man. Out here in my shanty right here, my grilling shack. This is mine and my wife's area. I don't know if y'all know, but we sit out here and hang out. We sit right here and watch the TV and cook and grill, and we love it out here. But the guy's name is Two Vintage on YouTube. He's a motorcycle four-wheeler fanatic. I mean, and the kid is highly intelligent. I've watched him a bunch. He puts out some real good, thorough videos. My hat's off to him. He's got a lot of patience. I'd love to have a job like that, but I don't. I've got a not no 9 to 5, but we have to work 10, 12 hours a day to get our paycheck. So if y'all ever searching around or looking, y'all go check out Two Vintage. He's a great motorcycle mechanic and does awesome work. We appreciate y'all watching, and we will catch y'all on the next one. Hey boy, what are you doing? You come see me? All right, y'all. See you on the next one. Double thing right there, boy.